Today the second watch is a Ricoh Automatic. It's a jumbo size watch, around 40 case. Very beautiful watch. There is a matte design on the back. The case is a big size, automatic, pushing date change. By default you have to push and then you have to push, pull it out and then you have to push and date will change. You just have to pull out the crown and date will change. This is how it works. Beautiful Ricoh automatic watch. The price for this Ricoh is just 2000 rupees. Shipping will be extra. Anyone interested, please let me know. Thank you.